Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add points to Google Forms. If you're creating a quiz in Google Forms, you may want to assign points to each question for automatic grading. This feature makes it easy to score responses and provide feedback instantly. So let's follow these steps to add points to Google Forms. First step is to open Google Forms and create a quiz. And to do that, just go to workspace.google.com/product/forms and then log in using your account's credentials. Once you logged in, you're going to be directed to your Google Forms dashboard. From here, click on the blank form here to create a new blank form and give it a title. For example, quiz. Now, after you give it a title, you can even give it a short description describing the quiz and the circumstances of the quiz. Now, after you finish that, go to the settings in the settings tab and toggle the option on to make this a quiz option on, just like this, to allow the auto grading. Now the second step is to add questions and assign points, and to do that just go back to the question sections and click on the plus button. Here you can choose question types. For example, there are multiple choices, short answers, drop down, checkbox, and even etc. So the second step is to click the answer key. Now click on the answer key here, and here you can select the correct answer. You can also assign points, for example 5 points per question. You can also add an optional feedback here for incorrect answers and correct answers, and then click on save. Third step is to enable auto grading. Now if you're using multiple choice checkboxes or drop downs, Google Forms can auto grade responses. Now for short answer questions, set multiple correct responses to avoid grading errors. As for the fourth step is to adjust the quiz settings, and to do that just go to settings and then go to the response section, click on it. Now here you can turn on release grades immediately after manual review or immediately after manual review, and enable respondents can see missed questions if you want them to review mistakes. As for the fifth step, view and analyze quiz responses, and you can do that by clicking on responses at the top of your form and use Google Sheets integrations to export and analyze scores. You can manually review short answers responses if necessary. As for the sixth and final step, share the quiz, and you can do that by clicking on publish and then click on the share icon. Now change the restriction from restricted to anyone with the link and then copy the responder's link. And just like that you can send the link to all the participants. Now by adding points to your Google Form quiz, you can create an automated grading system that saves time and ensures accuracy. Try it for assessment, training, or educational tests. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.